Let's start with the PARKSIDE Precision Screwdriver Kit, designed specifically for mobile phones and electronic devices. This is a complete precision set, ideal for smartphones, tablets, laptops, smartwatches, glasses, game controllers, and other delicate electronics. Inside the case, you'll find a wide range of precision bits, including Phillips, flat, Torx, and special security bits, commonly used in modern mobile phones and electronics. The bits are made from hardened steel and are clearly organized, making it easy to find the exact size you need. The precision screwdriver handle is slim and lightweight, offering excellent control when working with small and sensitive screws. This kit is perfect for phone repairs, battery replacements, screen disassembly, and general electronic maintenance. If you work with electronics, this is an essential tool set to have. Next, we have the PARKSIDE Screwdriver Wrench. This tool combines the shape of a screwdriver with the functionality of a wrench, making it ideal for fast work. It is designed for tightening and loosening screws quickly and comfortably, especially in tight spaces where traditional tools are difficult to use. The ergonomic handle offers good grip, while the metal shaft provides strength and durability. It works with standard screwdriver bits, which makes it very versatile for assembly work, DIY tasks. Now let's move on to the PARKSIDE Minimalist Screwdriver Set. This is a compact and well-organized kit focused on everyday screwdriving tasks. Inside the case, you'll find a carefully selected range of bits that cover the most common screw types used in furniture, appliances, and household repairs. The screwdriver handle is compact, comfortable in the hand, and easy to control, making it suitable for long use without fatigue. This set is ideal for people who want a small and practical screwdriver kit without unnecessary extras. But with everything needed for daily use. Perfect for furniture assembly, small repairs, and general DIY work. Finally, we have the PARKSIDE Small Ratchet and Socket Set. This is a compact but powerful kit, designed for working with nuts and bolts. Inside the set, you'll find a small ratchet, a selection of sockets in different sizes, and compatible bits for added versatility. The ratchet mechanism allows continuous turning without lifting the tool, making tightening and loosening much faster, especially in tight or hard-to-reach spaces. This kit is ideal for bicycles, furniture, DIY projects, and light mechanical or automotive work. Despite its small size, it offers excellent functionality and is very practical to keep in the workshop or toolbox. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Parkside tool reviews, tests, and real DIY content.